Hello student. So today we are going to discuss chemical effect of electric current lesson question answer part. In that first mean fill in the blanks. The most liquid that conduct electricity or solution of dash dash and dash is given means the solution conduct electricity when it is in a acid, base and salt. So first one dash for acids, bases and salt, write down. Okay, so next, the passage of electric current through a solution causes dash effect. When that electric current pass through the solution means what effect? It is chemical effect, remember. Okay, so that effect lesson name only tell, no, chemical effect in the solutions we are studying. Okay, we know heating effect, magnetic effect, all is there. That is we will see in the solid, but in the solution, liquid form, what happened? Chemical effect takes place by the activity of electrolysis, right? So next, third one, if you passes electric current through copper sulfate solution, copper get deposited on the plate connected to the dash terminal of the battery. So you know that here copper sulfate solution, that activity also is there. See, you can hear copper sulfate solution, you are going to here in the solution one plate copper sulfate solution you are taken in the beaker. You are going to dip the copper plate. Okay, so when you pass that electric current through this battery, to what happened, they are going to separation of the metals takes place by the process of electrolysis. All right, so electrolysis process takes place, that ions, positive and negative ion get separated. So here positive one copper, negative one sulfate. This sulfate is going to settle in that solution. Copper, that sulfate will be settle on the copper positive towards. Okay, so that process here. So here what it is, negative. Here copper get deposited on the plate connected. It is copper positive, no, positive ion get attracted towards where? Negative, means another one negative terminal of the battery. Next, the process of depositing a layer of any desired metal on another material by means of electricity is called electroplating. We are going to decorative purpose metal and cycle handle we are doing no design. What we are going to do, one metal layer we are going to deposit on the another metal, right? So that is what electroplating process. Okay, here we are going to deposit or settle one layer of the metal to another. Artificial jewelry, you know, in that copper iron one we are going to give the gold, right? So what we did, gold metal we are going to deposit on the iron metal. We see that also gold like, right? So but is artificial. They also using electroplating process. And handles of the doors also they are designed. See, you can observe here in the figure. See, this all not our steel, right? What they did, they are going to deposit the steel metal on that other substance. Okay, one substance ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೆಟಲ್ನ ಕರಗಿಸಿ ಪ್ಲೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಲರ್ನ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್. ದ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಲೇಯರ್ ಆಫ್ any desired metal, one metal over the another material by means of passing electric current. Okay, it's called what? Electroplating. Next one, question answer part. Now, when the free ends of a tester are dipped into a solution, tester means you know, test that electric current is there or not, that is checking one. Okay, device. When you dip the tester into a solution, the magnetic needle show deflection. Can you explain the reason? What is the reason in that? We have to explain. Okay, so for this I will take here. Let's see. So answer, the depletion of the magnetic needle. So what happened in the solution? You are going to dip the tester. It show that magnetic effect, right? So any heating effect or magnetic effect show means that is circuit is complete. Otherwise it is nothing it show, no. So can explain the reason is given. The deflection in the magnetic needle, that needle is vibrating. They show the deflection, show that the circuit is complete. So the solution is a good conductor. This answer you need to write that what you are taken a solution, that is a good conductor. Okay, so conductor only conduct no electricity means here magnetic needle showing deflection means it is a solution taken inside is a good conductor. It is not a bad conductor. Okay, not also one reason you can write. The deflection of magnetic needle show that circuit is complete. The solution is a good conductor. Okay, next move on to the second question. Here, name the three liquids which when tested in the manner shown in the figure may cause the magnetic needle to deflect. Here you can see the figure here given this question. Name the three liquids which the tested in the manner. Here figure see they beaker, they taken solution. Here they keep the compass needle, they pass the electric current through this. Okay, what solution in that you can take? Solution may be in a acid, base or salt form. Okay, so here three liquid name you need to write. For this write it base. Acid I will write first, lemon juice, next acid is this, next base for I will take vinegar solution. It is in a solution form one we have to write here. Lemon juice is a liquid solution form. Lemon juice acid liquid form. Vinegar is a base form. Next one you can take salt water or tap water also. Salt water. Okay. So these are the three liquid you can write for this answer. Read it this question properly. Next question it is. A bulb does not glow in setup given figure here. Okay, list the possible reason, explain your answer. So here they are given a setup one figure, circuit connection they given. This is bulb, battery and solution taken in a beaker. Okay, that here this bulb is not glowing. What are the possible reasons it is not glowing means you have to write. What reason for bulb is not glowing, that reason want to write. Okay, so here bulb taken one, that circuit connection is completed means switch is on or not, it is current is flowing on that conducting wire, we don't know, just they given a figure but they not show no conducting wire. So that for answer you can write the bulb used here may be fused. The bulb used, no, that is fused one they are used. Okay, already used up one. Okay, that is not glowing means that is a main reason. ಮನೇಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಬಲ್ಬ್ ಗ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಬಲ್ಬ್ ಬರ್ನ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಬಲ್ಬ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಬರ್ನ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಯೂಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಸೆಲ್ may be used up, already old one we are using, that completed used one. Okay, then wire in the circuit may be loosely connected, ವಯರ್ ಲೂಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಬಲ್ಬ್ ಕೂಲ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಲೂಸ್ಲಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ that liquid may be not a conductor, not a good conductor, it is an insulator. Before only we discussed, no, that solution should be in acid form, base form or salt form. If it is not there means it is a insulator. You know distilled water is a insulator, right? It is not conduct electricity. When you dissolve salt in water, then it is conduct electricity. That means these are the possible reasons you can write. Next question we are discuss. A tester used to check the conduction of electricity through two liquids labeled A and B. Here labeled it is A and B. So it is found that the bulb of the tester glow brightly for liquid A, while it glows very dim for liquid B. you would conclude that liquid A is a better conductor than the liquid B. So here what is that meaning? The tester used in check the conduction. One beaker, two beakers are kept in that. A and B, they have filled the two liquids on there. Okay. This like beaker A and B is there in that. They are going to fill the two liquids. Okay. So one liquid beaker A they named, another one for B. It is found that bulb of the tester glow brightly for a liquid A. If you kept the tester on that one beaker, okay, that is brightly glow. That ಟೆಸ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಲ್ಬ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವ ಅದೇನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಲೈಟ್ ಬ್ರೈಟಾಗಿ ಗ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಕಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ಬಿ ಬೀಕರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಮ್ ಆಗಿ, ಅಂದರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಗ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಗ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾವ್ದು ರೀಸನ್ ಸೂಟೇಬಲ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, liquid A is a better conductor than the liquid B. That is possible, no? Liquid A brightly glowing in the sense is a better conductor than the B. It is not completely glowing, it is dimly glowing. Okay, so that is one reason. Let's see next. Liquid B is a better conductor than the liquid A. It is not possible, no? Wrong. It is B. It is a better conductor means it should be brightly dim, no? Brightly glow, no? It is not glowing, it is dim, means this is wrong. Then both liquids are equally conducting. It is also wrong. Both also not equally. It is one is bright, one is dim. Okay, conducting properties of a liquid cannot be compared in this manner. We cannot compare which purpose we are using tester. That given solution or given substance is a conductor or not conductor, insulator we are checking for, only we are using no tester. So this is also wrong. So first one answer is correct for this. Liquid A is a better conductor than the liquid B because only that liquid A brightly glow, liquid B is dimly glow. Okay. Next question. Does pure water conduct electricity? No, pure water does not conduct electricity. Distilled water also. Okay. If not, what can you do to make it conducting? So for this answer you can write no, pure water does not conduct electricity. So that pure water, what we have to do? We are going to dissolve some salt in that, then it will be conduct. Okay. So right answer no, pure water does not conduct electricity. When we dissolve some salt or we are going to mix with the base or acid, then it is conduct. Okay. So if not, so we need to dissolve some salt, then it is conduct. Okay. So next question. In case of a fire, before the fireman used the water hoses, they should shut off the main electric supply for the area. Explain why they do so. So here any fire incident happened in the house means that fireman comes, no, they use water hoses. Water hoses means long water carrying pipes. You can see like this one, pipes they are connecting, right? These are the water hoses. Okay, that like pipe we are using for our home, for gardening, for we are using, no, that one. Okay, so what they are going to use, they are using to shut off the ಮೇನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ. ಫೈರ್ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ವಾಟರ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರೇ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಫೈರ್ ಇಂಜಿನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ವಾಟರ್ ಹಾಸಸ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ವ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲೇ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈನ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ವೈ ದೇ ಡೂ ದಿಸ್, ಯಾಕೆ ಅವರು ಆ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲೇ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈನೇ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಯು ನೋ ವಾಟರ್ ಹಾಸಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್, ರೈಟ್, ದೇ ಆರ್. ಸೊ ಯು ನೋ when they pass that, when it is electric current is there in that area means what happened, when you spread the water, water is a good conductor, no? That ವಾಟರ್ ಗುಡ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲೇ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಆ ಸಪ್ಲೈನ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸಿಂಪಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ because the water is a good conductor of an electricity. Water is a good conductor of electricity and fireman can get electric shock. That purpose, and also that area only there will be short circuit will be happened. Okay, that's why they are going to cut off the electric supply here. Okay, so next we will move on. A child staying in a coastal region tests the drinking water and also the sea water with his tester. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ ಚೈಲ್ಡು ಕೋಸ್ಟಲ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಇರೋ ವಾಟರ್ನ ಡ್ರಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟರ್ನ ಟೆಸ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. ಅದೇ ಥರ sea waterನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. sea water means coastal region water and sea water difference is there. Okay, find that the compass needle deflect more in case of sea water. What can you explain the reason? Coastal region, sea water, more salt is dissolved, but coastal region there is less salt is dissolved, right? So you can write this answer only. In sea water more salt is dissolved, so it conduct more electricity, means that show more deflection in that time. But in the coastal region, like our tap water, like less salt is dissolved. Okay, so less water dissolved, so it show less deflection over there. Okay, so for this you can write this answer right, because sea water contains more salt compared to the pure water, so the deflection of the compass needle is more in that where in the sea water. Okay, so not in the coastal region. They also use the water only, like our tap water we are using, no, that is. Okay, is it safe for the electrician to carry out electrical repair outdoor during heavy downpours? Explain. So here what given, is it safe, how safe ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಷಿಯನ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಔಟ್ ದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ರಿಪೇರಿ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ, ಔಟ್ಡೋರ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಹೆವಿ ಡೌನ್ ಪೋರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ರೈನ್ಫಾಲಿಂಗ್, ಹೆವಿ ರೈನ್ಫಾಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೇಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಡನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೆವಿ ರೈನ್ಫಾಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ಥರ ಹೆವಿ ರೈನ್ಫಾಲ್ ಆಗೋ ಕಡೆ ಅವರು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರಿಪೇರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಔಟ್ಡೋರಲ್ಲಿ, ಔಟ್ಡೋರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಸೇಫ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಷಿಯನ್ಗೆ ರಿಪೇರಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನೋ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೇಫ್ because heavy rainfall, right, means heavy downpour only. Okay, so you write this answer only here. No, because rainwater contains salt, it can conduct electricity. Rainwater also falling from one place to another place, right? So it dissolves so many salt, so it is a good conductor of electricity. So you can't carry that repair work outside the door, right? So it is not safe, so that's why he can't do that activity in the outside of the door. Okay, so it is not safe, write it. Next one here, Paheli had heard that rainwater is a good conductor as distilled water, so she conducted same rainwater in a clean glass tumbler. Clean glass tumbler means glass one, glass to made up of cup, that is. Okay, and tested it, used a tester. To her surprise, she found that the compass needle showed deflection. What could be the reason here? Okay, here so here rainwater is a purest form, right? Like a distilled water, purest form only. Distilled water and pure water does not conduct electricity. Rainwater, when it is not conduct electricity, means when you taken directly without interfere in the atmosphere, or it not run from on the ground that time. Okay, direct what it is cloud to we are getting no water percolation, that if you collected means it is a purest form, that is not conduct electricity. After when you enter to the atmosphere, in that atmosphere so many dust particles are there, in that it is contains acid base, right? So that time it is not a good conductor. Okay, it is not an insulator, it conduct electricity that time. Okay, so you write it, rainwater is a pure water which an insulator, that time it is not conducting electricity, insulator, but it get mixed with the air pollutants in the atmosphere like sulfur dioxide, SO2, and nitrogen oxide NO, nitrogen oxide NO, and form a acidic solution. You know acidic nature, basic and salt, they could are the good conductor. When it is you are going to dissolve acid also, base also or salt also, it is not an insulator. That time what it is? It is a good conductor of an electricity. So that compass needle show the deflection. Even if it is the rainwater she collected, she think it is a pure means there also some mixture is there. Okay. In that what? Air pollutants also mixed. When it is leave to the ground also rainwater, it is also dissolved. You know water is a universal solvent. It going to dissolve all the substance in it, right? So whenever it enters to the atmosphere, there it is polluted, acid is present, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, they are all going to mix it with that and make that is an conductor. Okay, so that is a good conductor of electricity. That's why it is showing some deflection. Okay, deflection show ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so next, prepare a list of objects around you that are electroplated. So I showed figure already for you. Any objects you can write. So I will take door handle, taps, okay, tin cans and gas burner, handlebar of a cycle, bikes, wheel rims also they are designed. We can see that decorative like. Okay, so here write it. Door handles, it is decorated silver color, we can get gold color, we can get many colors, right? So we get in the sun metal, that is electroplated. Okay, taps, tin cans also, they are so brilliantly they are did this electroplating work that give us attractive look also. Okay, they give a attractive look per, and also it is avoid from rusting also, like painting we did for avoid rust. No, same way electric plating also we do for the attractive purpose. These are okay things around we are seeing. These are burner, handle of the bar of a cycle, bike handle also we can see they're so stylishly they are electroplated. Okay, next we are going to discuss some words in that. Define the following. Conductor, insulator, I don't know that is means. Conductor means what it is, that substance which allow electric current to flow through them. ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಆ ಮೂಲಕ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟಚ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ whole body it is transfer, no? So electric charges, electric current means flow of charges. Wherever it is flow of charges takes place in the substance are all conductors only. Okay, so in that only good conductor are there, bad conductor is there. Bad conductor only we name insulators. Okay, so conductor means material which allow electric current to through pass through them, or material or substance which pass electric current through them is called conductor. Example, copper, you know in the wire, copper, tap water, lemon juice, salt water also. Next, insulator, material which do not allow electric current to pass through them. Okay, which are the materials which not flow that electric current, no, that all what? Insulator. Okay, so distilled water, rubber, wood, stone. Okay, pure water also they are not allow electric current to through pass through. ರಬ್ಬರ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನೂ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆದರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ we are no leather slippers while we are put on that switch on doing time pole side, so that all insulators. Okay, that's why we are using that. Or we can hold a stick to on that bulb switch, right? So sometimes when it is electric shock taking place also, that all the remember or insulator they not allowed to flow through them. Okay, rubber, plastic also insulator only. Rubber, plastic, wood, distilled water you can write it. Next one more important, electrodes. Electrodes are the terminal through which the current is passed through into the liquid. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ solid form is there means we can pass electric current, copper wire, right, aluminium, steel, or we are human. But in the solution time, what we are going to do, we are using the device that is electrodes. That too we are going to dip that electric current, okay, solution, that it is passes into the liquid. Okay, next electrolysis, that is electrolysis, that breaking off of the compound from its solution on passing electric current. ಆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನಲ್ಲಿರೋನ ಕ್ಯಾಥೋಡ್ ಆ್ಯನೋಡ್ನ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಥೋಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಒನ್ ಅಯಾನ್, anode means positive ions. We are going to breaking them. Okay, so that is what copper sulfate solution type. Sulfate and copper we are separating, right? So positive one is copper, sulfide is cathode. Okay, that is we are going to separating by what? Passing electric current through it. Okay, so next electroplating. Electroplating is a coating of an object with a metal by using ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್. ಒಂದು ಮೆಟಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೆಟಲ್ ಕೋಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವ, ಅದನ್ನೇ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಪ್ಲೇಟಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಎನಿ ಟು ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್, heating effect, chemical effect, magnetic effect. Magnetic effect means they are going to attract that magnet like iron pins like that. Then chemical effect means we are electrolysis, electroplating we are doing, no, that is only. Heating effect means any electrical appliances, TV, mixer, if you pass electric current, what happened? It is gives first heat. Okay, then it start to work. Okay, next last one question. Is air an insulator or conductor of electricity? Air is an insulator or conductor, want to say. Air is an insulator only when it is that lightning time, thunder time, what happened, that is charges discharges positive and negative, that time is a conductor. Other than that, or air is a insulator only, remember. Okay, so this much, learn this all question answers.